The next time a tech expert, your classmate, or even your boss asks you for your laptop specifications and you have absolutely no idea what to say, don't panic. Bring your laptop and take a seat because today I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to check your PC specifications in Windows. Let's get into it. Method 1. Method 1 is the easiest. Click the Start button, then open Settings. Select System and scroll down to About. Boom! Right there, you'll see your processor, installed RAM, device name, system type, and your Windows version. Everything you need in one place. Method 2. Method 2 takes you a little deeper. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. When the run box appears, type msinfo32 and press Enter. Instantly, Windows opens the Hidden System Information window. Here you find your motherboard model, your BIOS version, installed hardware, system components, and a whole lot more. It's one of the best tools built right into Windows. Method 3. Method 3 shows you what's happening right now. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Performance tab. Now you can watch your processor, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, and graphics card working in real time. If your computer ever feels slow, this is one of the first places you should check. And Method 4. Method 4 is especially useful for gamers and anyone troubleshooting graphics problems. Press Windows plus R again. Type DXDiag and press Enter. This opens the DirectX diagnostic tool. From here, you can check your graphics card, your DirectX version, sound devices, display information, and verify whether your PC meets the requirements for your games or software. And there you have it. 4 simple ways to check your PC specifications without downloading a single app. If you learned something new today, drop a comment below and tell me which method was your favorite. Don't forget to like, turn on notifications, and subscribe for more daily Windows tips, hidden shortcuts, and simple tech tricks. You can call me Mr. Aaron. This is Techy Tricks How To. Shalom.